Hi, I'm Yumi, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday, the week started with the whole school tuning into one of Miss Nichols' informative Monday morning briefings. This week, classes got the opportunity to pick their virtue of the week. Tuesday, flora and fauna around campus came out to enjoy the rain as the skies once again opened up over Singapore. Wednesday, plenty of courage was on show as grade 4s delivered their Reader's Workshop presentations on natural disasters to their classes. Thursday, grade 2 showed lots of enthusiasm, enjoying their virtual reality experiences as part of their IPC unit Land, Sea, and Sky. Friday, grade 6 could be found creatively crafting their 3D worlds in our very cool digital technology lab before another productive week came to an end, with everyone heading home for the weekend. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next time.